The Satisure wireless door chime sensor is very straightforward to set up, with pre-linked components that only require mounting the contacts and plugging in the receivers. Its long wireless range of about 600 feet makes it reliable for monitoring doors in larger homes, small businesses, or multi-room setups without frequent signal drops. The system supports multiple sensors and receivers working together, which is useful if you want coverage for several entrances or separate areas. A wide selection of 58 tones and 5 distinct volume settings, plus a visible light indicator, allows you to tailor alerts for different users, including people with limited hearing. The door sensors use efficient alkaline batteries that are designed to last through many activation cycles, reducing how often you need to replace them. Overall, this chime feels like a well-thought-out option for anyone wanting a flexible, easy-to-expand entry alert without dealing with complex wiring.